Hello, this is Jason Hodges with AgTerra. In this video, we are going to review how to add applicators to your system. This is not the same as creating a username and password for them. This is when you're starting a spray job and the system asks you who is spraying, who the applicator is. This is that list. So under the SprayLogger website, at Administration, you go to People and then Applicators. From here, you can see all your pre-existing applicators. You can add a new one, name, license, expiration, billing if you want to. That's not necessary. And then assign them a number. And this is just put into an order list. If you need to edit any pre-existing applicators, just click on the plus next to the details. You can see any stuff you have in there. I can hit edit. I can put in their address, their city, state, zip code, edit their name, license number, any details I need to do that, I have the ability to adjust. Once I'm done, I can hit save, and then I'm good. This has been Jason Hodges on how to add and edit applicators within your SprayLogger system.